Hey y'all, Joe here at Southern Coastal Cooking. How y'all doing tonight? I'm just coming at you here with a unboxing video I wanted to do, trying to get my lighting situated here. This is something I've been really looking forward to. I'm a knife nut. I don't know about if y'all have watched a lot of my videos or, first time joining, but I love cutlery, cooking knives, pocket knives, all kind of stuff like that. So that's always cool. What I've got for you tonight, man, I've been looking for a long time. I want to thank the folks first off over at Knife Works over in Louisiana, also Cold Steel. This is just, like a unicorn, something I've been looking for a long time. So if you're interested, watch me unbox this puppy. I've been thinking about it all day ever since it hit the doorstep. Got my little notification. I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna tell you. Y'all come down here and let's take a look. Oh, we get some viewers in. Let's look here. We got a little package here. Came just regular U.S. snail mail. And let's just get her open here. Alright. Oh, yep. Gotta get the seal is all broken on this box. Alright. Who's all watching here? Anybody want to check in tonight? Who's seen looking at the video on the channel? I've been doing some live videos straight on my YouTube channel here recently. Those have been working out pretty good. Had a lot of viewers tuning in last night before. So, yeah, we're just going to tune in right here. We're just going to open this bad boy up. We got packing peanuts, one of my best friends. Not really. Gosh, what are we going to do with this? Let's just move some of these out sideways like this. I mean, they just, want to make a mess. Oh, gosh, get my package way back down in there. Let's see. Oh, there she is. Look at the box. Espada, the extra large Espada, the polished G10. Oh my gosh, with the carpenter steel. Oh my goodness, with the stainless steel bolsters, all the good stuff. Let's see who we got up in here. Okay, what's up, Ken? What's up, Cord? Okay, this thing right here is a beast. Let me show y'all. And this is one, you can't look high and low. Or like I said again, I want to thank the folks over at Knife Works and everything else who found this. Oh my gosh. See, this may be just a little receipt here. Yeah, little thing say they sent out to me. Awesome, free shipping, everything. Let's just check this out, y'all. Look at this bad boy. This is, okay, look, here's this little knife I was carrying today. All right, this is one of my browse blades, okay? This little import browse blade, just a EDC type thing. But let's just look at this knife. I'll take a little sip of Cabernet here. Oh, let's just open her up. Oh, wow. Look at that. Looks like it comes with some warnings and stuff and such on it. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, would you look at the size of this blade? Hold on, let's read what the warnings say. Warning, this knife is extremely sharp. We have tried to make this knife as strong, tough, and safe as possible. Keep in mind, despite its size and weight, it's a folding knife, not a fixed blade. It was designed for cutting, not for chopping or other extreme cutting tasks. Although, I've seen them have this knife extended, and with this lock on here, a special locking system, and I should hold that like 600 pounds. It's crazy. Let's just check this bad boy out, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Trying to get the light on it for you. I mean, everything shines beautifully smooth. Look at that. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. This is one for the safe right here. You can carry it. Let's, wow. I mean, just in awe of, look at this. Wow. Espada. This thing is truly impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and let's open her up here. They say you can flip this thing out. I'm almost scared to. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that right away. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at that blade, y'all. Oh my gosh, man, that is cool. Look at the handle. Look at the grip. I've got pretty big hands. And I mean, goodness gracious, look at this. All right, look at that compared to, and this little knife is no slouch, okay? This is what I was carrying today. I carry just about every day. I mean, this little thing is tiny compared to this extra large Espada. Oh my word. That is sweet. I tell you what, I am happy about this. And they say once you get it working, I mean, this lock is amazing. I know it's a little tight at first, they said. They said just work the knife, opening and closing and stuff like that. And it'll get it where you can actually just deploy this thing, like seeing people whip it out of their pocket. A 7-inch blade. I mean, look at that bad boy right there. I could cut some brisket or something with that. I tell you what, that is a bad boy of a knife right there. Oh, that's so cool. Well, anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in. If you're looking for anything, look up those folks over there. They help me out. It's pretty great. So I believe it was Knife Works where I got this. Yeah, and cold steel. I mean, this is really cool. But this has been one that's been on my bucket list, whatever, to get. And so glad I finally got it in house now. I'm gonna go play with this thing. Yeah, you don't want to mess up and cut yourself with this. That is a serious blade right there for sure. All right, y'all. Well, I'm out.